Hi there, my name is Arghya. Behind me is my residence, right here on campus. It's close to where all things happen: the classrooms, the lecture halls, the library, and the student union. Ensuite twin rooms are located in flats with single ensuite rooms. Come, let's have a look. So, this is the room I share with my roommate. Because it's a twin room, we share the floor space, but have exactly the same things as all the other rooms. This means that we have 2 desks, 2 chairs, and separate storage space. We also have an ensuite that we both share together. This is one of the cheapest accommodation types, which means it's great if you're sociable and on a tight budget. We've both saved loads of money by doing this. With all the rooms, heating, electricity, water, and Wi-Fi is included in the rent. Plus, there's no need to pay a deposit. So, have a look around. So, this is the bathroom we share, with a sink, a toilet, and a shower. We have all we need, and we rarely have to wait to get in. So have a look around, and then we'll head to the kitchen. So this is our kitchen. As you can see, it's really bright and have views all around. We have combination convection microwave ovens, hobs, and fridge freezers. It's also a place where you can hang out with friends and catch up with your flatmates. It's great being here on campus. I don't have very far to travel to my lectures or to the shops. I hope you enjoyed my talk. Goodbye.